So stop this method because this is wasting time. In other words, your image is not good.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
So hello guys, how are you? So today I will show you how to remove automatically your image background without editing to background erase. That no need to do that. Perhaps you spend too much time to get your image background. For editing this tutorial, I will teach you how to get automatically your image. Here we go. All you have to do is you go to Google Chrome, and then you search remove BG, and then you search go. As you see now, remove image background, so you select that, you select on that, and then you upload your image here, what you want to remove the image background. So here we go. So now just select your images, what you want to remove your image background. So this one, my picture, my sample picture. So automatically remove your background, so no need to spend your time to editing too much. So now you can download it, and this is direct to your gallery. Open now. So it is. This method is saving your time to spend too much editing. Okay guys, that's all.